Sa laro ng buhay, lahat tayo naghahangad manalo. Kaya sa bawat pag-usad ng araw kasabay ang mga panibagong hamon na darating, hingin lagi sa taas ang ibayong lakas upang matagumpay mong lampasan ang bawat pagsubok. Kasi ang buhay, di kailanman ipinangakong maging madali. Ngunit ang pangako ng Diyos, sasamahan ka niya sa bawat mong laban. Kaya para sa pangarap, dapat huwag mapagod. Remember that life is the most difficult exam. And you know what? Many people fail because they try to copy others without realizing that everyone has a different test paper. At kung sakaling saan ka man dalhin ng iyong mga pangarap, baunin mo lagi ang respeto at pakikisama. Because in this game called life, winning comes in different forms. So play it well without hating and hurting each other.
Thank you for watching MacBurn's Game Farm. Alagang Bimig Integra Power Mac. Attack Excellence Protected. Fly High MacBurn's Game Farm. No harmful in this video. For breeding purposes only. Alagang Master M. The only one M.